Greeting Earthlings, Forex traders, how you doing? We're back again with another analysis of Forex market for this new week. Happy trading day last week, happy trading week, pardon me. Anyway, starting with gold, my favorite pair, we saw quite a bullish run throughout the whole week. Price broke through this strongly held resistance supply area, shooting all the way through and never came back to retest. This is on the daily time frame, as you can see right over here. So we're bullish, and I did catch some trades. There was some crazy news on Friday, which was NFP. Price continued maintaining gold strength. And those who made some money, congratulations to you. You can comment in the comments how much you made, and we'll be grateful to hear that. Grateful to know what you did to catch the bullish run. Anyway, diving into how I analyze for next week, I first mark out Friday's last candlestick, open and close, and here we are. This will have clearly we are bullish. Simple as that. Now when I lower down to my behavior time frame, H4 clearly shows you that we are bullish. We saw a candlestick close bearish on the H4, but that's okay. So we want to see what will happen in between this space, in between this area. Shall we consolidate? Shall we break through right throughout? Shall we break through right over here, or shall we break through from the support area? Only time will tell. So lowering down to my 30-minute time frame, where I take my sales. Price closed with some bullish sentiment. However, if you to look right over here, we have an area of resistance. So opening Monday this week, that's tomorrow, I want to see what will happen between this area right over here. Will price resist, or will price break through? Will price rise out to the top and break through, retest and go back, go all the way up, or it will palmate to come and test this support area right over here? We don't know, but what I'm looking at, those who watched my analysis for last week, I told the price would be bullish. Once it break through, it broke through, and it went bullish all the way throughout. You can check my last week's analysis. So this is what I'm looking at. This is what I anticipate. I anticipate price will tap this and probably give us some bearish sentiment, or maybe continue all the way down to test the support area, or to break through and continue all the way to the upside. Continue all the way through the resistance and all the way up, looking for new highs. If that does not happen, then price probably will again probably palmate, break through the resistance, the support, retest, and continue all the way down, looking for new, looking for new demand zones, and we have quite many of them, some which are respected. But I believe most of the action is going to happen, or is going to take place in between this area. This is my area of interest. This right over here, this highlighted area is my area of interest. It's where all the money is at. All the money is waiting for us to pick from the table and spend it or make more money for whatever you want to use it for. So as I told you, I noticed DXY respects goes in the opposite direction of gold. So DXY, let's see what happened last week. Yes, here we are, DXY have been bearish, meaning we were bullish on gold. As you see, DXY completely broke through this area, this previous demand zone, came back, retested, and respected the bearish sentiment. So if you look at my behavior time frame, H4, this is what we have. Price respected this demand zone right over. Pardon, price did not respect the demand zone. In other words, broke through the strong bullish candlestick, bearish candlestick, came back to retest, empowerment, and all the way down. So what are we looking at? Again, on my daily time frame on DXY, I'm going to mark out the last candlestick that was the open and the close, and here we are. This is the last candlestick. Beautiful, beautiful. We are bearish with this bearish sentiment. Continue, or we will respect this demand over here. This is an amazing area of demand to watch out for. Will it respect it? Keep that in mind. This is DXY pair. So moving up to my behavior, 30 time frame, the 30 minutes time frame. So we want to, this is our area. This would be my area of interest. This would be my area of interest. So if this area of interest, we see price coming back to test this resistance zone, will it permit all the way down? Will the bearish sentiment continue, or will the bearish sentiment continue within mid-air and continue all the way to come and test this area of support? We don't know yet, but I want to see if price does respect this area. This is the bearish momentum, and that's well and good. However, there's a possibility of price creating a bullish sentiment. Another way how I analyze, another way how I get to make my decision, I turn on my line chart. Now I'm looking for areas of support and resistance, sharp areas, sharp corners of area of support and resistance. This is because right over here we had an area that showed some sign of rejection of way to permanent, but continued up and then continued down. It came back, did the same thing in this same very area, but then we saw bulls coming in, and if you turn on the candlestick, we saw some bullish sentiment. So will the bulls come to test this area of resistance? If they do, and then they happen to break through, then we shall wait for a retest. And then we shall look for bearish sentiment, and if price is bullish on gold, it is bearish. The same thing, if price does respect this area, the possibility of it becoming an area of supply and demand. Right now, some bullish candlestick, that's some bullish behavior that has been seen. So probably if another candlestick closes bullish, I'll wait to see what happens right beyond this area of resistance. But if price respects this area and kind of closes bearish, so then I'll be looking for more sales. On the XY, while on the gold I'll be looking for more buys. Yes, so this is my analysis for gold. Gold is a pair I ride with. Those trading USD pairs, you can determine also the direction of that pair, whether gold strength or USD strength, by looking at what is happening from this analysis. Maybe if it's gold now, right now on gold we are bullish, so it means on a pair like USD JPY we're seeing Japanese strength. For example, let me show you JPY. Let's go with okay, let's go with this. On USD JPY we're seeing Japanese strength. Here we anticipate Japanese strength. Okay, let me look out for another broker. I don't understand. Should we go with? Let's go with Python and see what. Okay, yeah, perfect. As you can see, we're bearish. JPY strength is what we see. So gold runs in the same direction just like any other USD pair. Otherwise, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this content. You can share your thought analysis, so your opinions are highly welcome. Take care and happy trading.